is the fun part about these brands, right? Like who make finance products, because they do packaging and all for their credit card and debit card instead of that envelope which usually a bank would provide. Bless you. Say hello to your Uni card. SBM Bank. That's the bank. And that's the card. Okay. I expected this to be more fancy because there were this slide things where you take this thing out and then you slide and then the card comes out. Those were the things which usually they provide in Europe. Are we doing unboxing? I don't know. Two beginnings and more. Sorry, too sweet, and they wanna show Toblerone. And I don't know how, but this whole thing is all turned into a paste.
Yeah.
That's the cameraman for today. Maybe pick a chocolate which has more, let's say, endurance against heat and can stay solid. I'm just being critical for just sake of it, and I just realized I'm not wearing my glasses. I'm not very happy with the finish. The cutting is not good. Your bag tag. Oh, look at this. This continues. The same shade continues here. So it's Spur Suyog Sunil. Good details. The smaller things which you're providing. Yes, it is. So I think this is cut out from the surplus cutouts of the card. So you must be having sheets of material and you must be cutting it out. And then out of the surplus and the extra parts, maybe you are laser cutting these guys. Maybe. Correct me if I'm wrong here. What is next? Let's just open this and being critical just for the sake of it. This is the best bank card experience I've ever gotten in India, so I'm happy for it. But small things, right? Because you can make sure that the small experience, because you are kind of here, what we are doing is this is the only physical touch point I have with this particular company. We have the app, which is another thing. But physical experience should be good, right? And everything evolved from how the iPhone has a box which takes like 4 or 5 seconds to open, so you have this wow effect. Here also we could have established the wow effect, because the moment I opened it, then I got the card, and then these small bits and pieces, for example, being critical for sake, just opened and it was just still packed, so it didn't help me open the packet. So if we can just make it a little better and not use plastic as well, would be cooler, I guess. Nice with the adjustments and stuff. So basically you want my face to carry your brand and advertisement. So there you go. The whole purpose of this card is a 1/3 pay, and I'm pretty sure you must have already seen it through other people's videos. It works like a credit card, but it's not a credit card, because I got pumped and I wanted to add this card on my cred so I can get more points. Turns out not a credit card. So it's a debit card basically with the function of payment in installments. So basically if I pay 900 rupees by this, I tap the card at the machine for 900 rupees, and then I get the bill the next month when there is a bill cycle. So every month you get a bill for the whole month expenditure, and then you decide how you want to pay. So in the app of Uni Bank or whatever, in the app you have option to pay directly, so you can just pay off 900 rupees just like credit card bills, and you get 1% cashback on that, so you'll get 9 rupees cashback. But there is another option where you can choose to pay it 1/3. So what they'll do is basically they'll cut it into 3 installments, 300, 300, 300, and you will pay it for the next 3 months. So this month, next month, and a month after. So that's a nice, just to be critical for sake of it, I really like this minimal design on the box. And the colors here are, again, it's a online bank, so yeah, these ones are good, because N26 was one of the coolest brands I've ever came across when I was in Germany. I couldn't take their card because I was already having some other bank's card, but that was very funky. And then you had TransferWise, which was a bank which helps you do a lot of foreign transactions, and they have their own card as well. So then multiple these banks started to pop up. So I'm just interested to see what other financial products these guys can get on the app. For example, I know this video is going too long. Yeah, the mess is still there. What they do is basically, let's say if me and Prachi, say hi.
Hi.
So if me and Prachi are staying together, which we are, and we have to pay the rent for this place. For example, the rent is, let's say, 30,000 rupees per month. What we can do is add our both cards in the system, in the app of N26 Bank, and then we can choose to pay the rent in split. So every month, 15,000 rupees from her account and 15,000 rupees from my account will be just paid off. That way we can create multiple goal-oriented functions inside the app, which is cool. So just for example, for rent, for electricity bill, we can create these small tabs, and add people in it, and then every month they will just divide it into people and just get the payment done. So you have Splitwise or apps like that who do these division things for you, but N26 will directly just pay. This is just one example. So I'm just looking forward to see what Uni brings apart from 1/3 and what other financial products they can build inside. So this is just the beginning of an ecosystem, right? Getting you, it's just like Cred, getting you into the ecosystem, but Cred has a different philosophy behind it. But here you get into this bank, and I'm just excited to see what other things they could offer in the future. That's all. Did not plan to make this video, just made this video. I hope you had fun, and I'll catch you